One of the most effective way to prospect for new clients is text marketing. It's also one of the least done forms of prospecting because of various technical challenges. ROI Marketing Systems, LLC, here in Texas, has come up with a solution to that with our new product line, Easy Text Ads. Let's go over a few text marketing stats. Text messages reach about 90% of its entire targeted audience, versus email is actually read by about only 20%, social media maybe 29%. So if you send 1,000 messages via text messaging, 900 of them are going to get read, versus 290 for social media and 220 for email. Texts are usually read within 5 to 8 seconds after the message has been sent and received. The reason is because we are conditioned to respond to our phones, especially text messages, because it could be a message from our girlfriend or our wife or one of our kids or something important. So all in all, SMS, which is the same as text marketing, gets about 6 to 8 times greater engagement rates, that is actually being read and taken action of, than email marketing. It's way, way, way more effective. 90% of customers who participate in mobile loyalty programs say that they've gained value from those items. So when you have a text message and a mobile app together, and the mobile app has a loyalty program, you can text message someone, get them to join your mobile app, download your mobile app. Now you don't have to text market them anymore. You send them push notification, which is the same as a text thing. And if you built in a good program, a good loyalty program, and a great app where they can make purchases, schedule appointments, make a reservation or buy something, all the better. The average person looks at their phone 150 times per day. Now that's way more than a computer, because your computer is probably on your desk somewhere and you have to boot it up to use it. Where I could be talking to you right now and I'm looking at a text message from my wife. That's the thing, is the phone has become ubiquitous with our life. We sleep with the things. So let's take a look at how cost effective text marketing is relative to other pay-per-click systems. SMS, which is the same as text marketing, cost per 10,000 views, CPS, is $1,000. Cost for 10,000 Facebook, cost per click would be 17,000, versus AdWords 23,000, versus the AdSense AdWords network of $5,800, versus Instagram at $19,000, versus LinkedIn at $65,000, and Twitter at $8,000 cost per click basis. So your CPS for text marketing is way lower than what it costs for you to get any sort of action on any other type of platform. But there are some challenges to that. The advantage of Easy Text Ads compared to others is we already have in our service 170 million leads that you can import and send messages to. When you buy 1,000 credits from us, you get 1,000 messages and 1,000 leads imported into your platform. And you can pick those leads based on zip code. So there's no need to generate your own list of prospects in order to text market to. Now, if you go out and run a pay-per-click campaign in order to find leads so that you can text them, it's going to cost you about $5 per lead versus the dollar cost to use the leads we already have for you. And the best part is we have permission to send them. So all our data is tested and we have that permission, so you don't run into any problems and you won't get dumped by your SMS provider or get nasty messages from the Federal Communications Commission or anything else. We handle all of that for you. So you basically have no liability, and we don't even use your phone number. So if they respond back with a nasty message, you do not receive the message. A little bit more about text marketing stats. 75% of people prefer to have offers sent directly via text. Now, there are even things called GPS coupons where if you're in the vicinity, it will pop up and give you a special, which I think is pretty cool. Businesses are really only using about 38% of the SMS capacity. So there's a ton of opportunity there to send messages because it's not being flooded yet. 60% of people around the world already own a mobile app compared to 40% who have access to the internet. So you have more people with a phone with access to the internet than with a computer with access to the internet on a world basis. So because we said before, you get more marketing budget by increasing your return on investment on new client prospecting using the text marketing system from Easy Text Ads. With 8 times the response rate of email marketing and mobile, it's just too powerful to pass up. 49.7% of all email, 32 billion email, or trillion emails per year get sent out. 49% of all emails end up in the spam box, while 98% of all text messages are open and read. Can't compare the two. Okay, the number one reason people don't use text marketing for prospecting for new clients is they have no leads and they have no money. Generating 1,000 leads to prospect to is going to cost you $5,000. That's way too expensive. And that's where Easy Text Ads come in. We solved this challenge in a big way. We already have 170 million leads in our database. The system is fast and easy to use, even on a self-serve basis. We can target your data based on zip code, and the platform has built-in support and video training, and we never allow you to import duplicate leads. And there are really only 3 steps to making the system work. Once your account is activated, you purchase credits, and you just simply use our leads to send your promotional messages. So you can do this for like sending a promotional text for a special, like you're having a weekend sale, and to generate new social media or YouTube subscribers, or to generate phone app downloads, which we recommend because we build phone apps. Generate direct orders, generate appointments and reservations, generate business during slow periods, or to announce special announcements and events that your business may be having. The cool thing is you can measure a direct response rate. It's very difficult and expensive to measure this sort of information with print media, radio, or television advertising. But with the text, you can put a tracking link or a coupon code or something where you can actually see your direct response, and you can get immediate feedback on your marketing campaigns. And since messages are delivered within seconds, actually minutes of when they're sent, you can really get a quick idea how effective your marketing message is. So Easy Text Ads has got built-in text training and a full website dedicated to training you on how to use the service, and also to provide support. We've got a built-in support desk. So everything is integrated right into the platform. So if you want us to activate your account so you can start, go to easytextads.org, or actually what I would do first is go to easytexttraining.com, sign up for the free training, go through what it shows, and when you're done with that, then have us activate your account so you can start making purchases right away.